Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
What's up, y'all? Another day in the shop. Got that Outlaw Race Engines shirt on, but we got the car here. We got it all kind of bagged off as much as I can. Yeah, we use the white crappy tape, so when it gets wet, it's just gonna stick like a little piece of crap. But I'm only mainly concerned about the cross member down here. I just went and sprayed it with this super clean, and it looks like some of this dirt's already just gonna come right off. So I just sprayed that. Don't really care about the compressor. I wanted to spray that thing off, and probably got plenty of time to dry. So a nice little look. All the grime. Just trying to get rid of that, that's all. Everything under the motor mounts. Get all that stuff. All the little mud. Just get all that out of there.
It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who are all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Alright, so obviously it's all still wet, but kind of see it's a lot more better. I'm going to try to wipe off most of it. I'm going to roll the heater over here and start trying to dry all this up, but definitely looks, I don't know, I'm not going to say 10 times, but it looks a hell of a lot better than it did. There's no more grease down there. I mean, there's just a little bit of crud here and there, but, you know, what can you do? What's up, y'all? So we got the engine cleaned up. We got over here, we got the motor. Let's turn the music down a little bit for y'all. I don't really care about what YouTube thinks. Anyways, we got the knock sensors put in, the sides. These don't hit the pan. They're kind of orientated to where the wires are going to come out, so obviously this is the back of the motor, and the other one was about I don't know, 8 inches or so. Kind of look over here on the old block. Yeah, I know, Shay, we need to send this out to you. But knock sensor here, so right there, knock sensor. These are both on the back, towards the back side, and then another knock sensor right there. But yeah, so we're getting ready to put this in. Drilled these out, tapped them. We'll see, hopefully it all works out. Should be good. Got some bolts on there, and we're gonna have to put some silicone on the edges here in between. So flat surface, obviously. Put some silicone here, silicone over here, back, and then we'll get the gasket on and get it all bolted on. Alright y'all, so we finally got the motor in. I fought it a little bit. I had to actually take the transmission out, get underneath the car, and I got the engine in, I actually got it bolted up, and then I had to pull the transmission out. And if you've ever been on jack stands or one man show, you definitely know how to do it. So obviously I put the jack underneath the transmission. I was working the jack with my feet and everything else. My wife had to come out and make sure I didn't die. But yeah, we got everything in. I did set the intake on it. I had to take the knock sensors off because I didn't want to break them off when I was actually putting them in the car. So we'll go show you what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't easy. But anyways, here we go. Engine's in the car. I put the intake on it so we don't drop anything down in there. Kind of see. But everything's on. Everything's bolted up. Got the converter in the car. So the converter we put in the car, I'll put it on the screen up here. It's FTI's STX converter. Sorry, my camera keeps going in and out. And it's a billet, triple disc. Got a bunch of stuff done to it. I'll put that kind of up on the screen what it is. It's a 9.5 converter. We'll go into the car, kind of show you guys what it looks like. So I'll squeeze my fat butt under here, but got everything, got the shifter hooked up, got the converter sitting there bolted up to the flex plate. I did have to use 2 washers actually. Kind of see it's actually in here. It's see it's just sitting there. But yeah, it's kind of hard to show you guys underneath the car. Starter's all hooked up. See if I can roll back here, kind of show you guys the mount. I didn't clean the mount up, but there's our mount, backside of the transmission, and then the bolt that's going through to the center hole of that that mount up here. So got that. If you kind of wondered how that all lines up, everything's in. Pan's looking sick. Never see it. Still got to hook some hook my knock sensors and stuff up, but it should everything should be good to go. So we just got to make some transmission lines to run to the front. Then we just need to measure our distance all the way back to our rear end back there, and get that distance so we can get our drive line made. Other than that, everything underneath the car should be dialed in. We got the fuel system already done, as you guys have seen in the previous videos. Yeah, just start working on the rest of this electrical. I do need to get this cleaned up. We're still waiting. I'll kind of show you guys what happened if you guys watched the last videos. Pretty sure it had a ground issue or something, but it kept blowing the security fuse and ended up frying my BCM. So kind of see there that chip is not happy. Kind of blew out on the side, blew out this one. So if we take a look inside the car, I've got everything all kind of tore out, just so I can get to all the wires. Been going through every single wire. So if we go on the engine bay, we have this ground that's over here on the firewall. Now we've got the engine grounded. We've got our other ground down there, and then we've got another set of grounds that would usually come off the fuse box and go up to the head. So if you can kind of see down here, right by the fuel line, there's a ground down there with those wires. I'm going to put that It's going to go on the back of the head, so we'll have all of our grounds pretty much hooked up here, and hopefully, seeing that I had to buy a new BCM from GM, AC Delco. Oh yeah, this was, shoot, I think if you were paying full price, it was something like, I'm not even gonna open it, but we've got that in here, brand new BCM. It was 300 bucks, like I said. So making sure everything on this car is 100% legit before I plug this in and have to actually get it reprogrammed to the bin. I definitely don't want anything to go wrong. So we got a little bit of work to do. We're gonna do some wire chasing, more wire chasing. I've been doing a lot. I don't put a lot of this stuff on the video just because it's boring for you guys to watch. Hence the reason why I kind of fast forwarded everything, trying to make this a short video for you guys. But I just wanted to show you guys that we did get the motor in. We're trying to do the best we can, getting all these grounds and getting all these wires where they should be. As far as the transmission goes, when I plug that in, I'm going to have it plugged into the TCM, just because when I do get the car flashed for the BCM, I just want everything to be in line. You know, you got your ECM, your BCM, and your TCM. So don't be like me and get ahead of yourself and cause yourself some issues. Don't ever forget any grounds. Everything inside the car is grounded. I have kind of I think that ground on the driver's side that I showed you guys, it's on the fender, wasn't hooked up or it wasn't tight all the way, and so it just caused a bunch of issues. Hopefully I can come back from these issues, but we're gonna see. So I'll give you guys a little update video on that stuff. I got a buddy coming over today. We're gonna try to fight this thing, and probably got like 4 or 5 different friends right now going through schematics, sending me everything. I just want to send a big shout out to all those guys. My buddy Sam, my buddy Brent, a couple other people that have sent over some things. My buddy John Messer, he's helped me out. New BCM, towing my car, wiring schematics, help over the phone. You know, everybody's willing to help, so I appreciate you guys a lot. So we're gonna smash this video out. This is gonna be an end, hopefully it's short, and I will catch you guys in the next one when we figure out what this problem is and we get this thing actually to where all the electrical is good. Once we're that far, the turbos will get put on the car. We'll start doing all the plumbing. I still have to put the MAC valve on the firewall, and like I said, get the driveline, things like that. So hopefully it was a short video for y'all, and I will catch you in the next one. If you got any questions, I've been doing most of the stuff myself just by research, and like I said, don't be like me. Make sure everything's hooked up first. And if I were you and you're doing this swap, definitely get the TCM hooked up, that first key on, just so everything thinks it's stock, and you should be good to go. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, y'all.